Good small life tips. 1. Eat breakfast. This can give you the energy you need to start the day and can even boost your metabolism. 2. Drink water. Hydrating your body can keep you energized, healthy, and can even prevent you from getting sick. 3. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks throughout the day can help improve concentration and boost productivity. 4. Stretch. Stretching helps keep your muscles loose and improves circulation. 5. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude and counting your blessings can help keep you from focusing on the negative. 6. Unplug. Turning off electronics, such as TVs and computers, can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. 7. Go outside. Taking a few moments to enjoy the outdoors can be refreshing and energizing. 8. Get organized. Being organized can help reduce stress and can improve efficiency in all areas of life. 9. Set goals. Setting goals and actively striving to achieve them can be rewarding and keep you motivated. 10. Save money. Staying on a budget and putting money aside can give you peace of mind and improve your financial security. 11. Keep a planner. Writing down your tasks, errands and activities in a planner can help keep you on track and can be an effective time management tool. 12. Connect with family. Quality time spent with family can help strengthen relationships and give you a greater sense of happiness. 13. Laugh. Taking time to have fun, whether with friends or through an activity, can lift your spirits and brighten your day. 14. Prioritize sleep. Getting adequate sleep is important for overall well-being, both physical and mental. 15. Exercise. Exercise can release endorphins and keep your body healthy, helping to maintain overall well-being.